We are headed west to the bluegrass state. We're gonna go shank some big Asian carp. We're gonna buy a license this year. It's gonna be better than it was last year. We shanked probably 1,500 pounds last year. Same three, me and Walker and Hunter Nix. We headed on the road trip. We'll catch y'all when we get towards where we're going. We just got up here on the river. We're fixing to head up here toward the dam, see if we can't shank some of these babies. It's almost sundown. It's nice and cooled off. We'll check you when we get up here and get to shanking.
Hooked on, boys. Get him, Chad.
You get him?
Yeah. We got us another one of these. Another Asian carp here. Another good night. Damn. Another one, boys. About to get hit. Sheldon, you just shoot right there along that wall.
Think?
Yeah.
You didn't miss one by much.
Good to see you.
That's a whip shot, son. They like biting these arrows when you force feed them.
You didn't force feed on one of them, did you?
Just maybe. Maybe one.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was scary. Well, boys and girls, we ended the night. We just got in, it's like midnight. We only fished for like 3 hours, but we got on fish early on, right there at dark, kind of fumbled around, but after the sun went down, it got good and dark. We finally found a fish, and I think we ended up with 47. That's not really too hot for us, but like I said, we only fished like 3 hours, so you can bet tomorrow we'll have more than 47. But I mean, you see what we got. Got a couple gar, a bunch of silvers, but now it's time to get the boat cleaned up and get a good night's rest, because tomorrow we're gonna be at them again and we're gonna kill them, no doubt. So appreciate you staying with us.
Do we need to wash them?